Interview. How should one prepare for interview? You have to read 3 newspapers after your mains end. Of course, December off लेंगे सब. January भी off में चला जाता है. I think from last week, mid of January, you have to read 3 newspapers: Hindu, Indian Express, Times of India, and you have to give as many mock interviews as you can. Why? Because no amount of mental work, hard work can prepare you for that pressure when you sit in front of the interview board. It is horrifying. It was the most scariest moment of my life. It is for everybody. मेरे साथ ही नहीं, सबके साथ we get, because you know when you walk from that lobby to the board chairman's room and you keep thinking this is it, you know, like this will determine my rank, this will determine my selection, ये determine करेगा अगले साल मैंने फिर से देना है नहीं देना है attempt. So much pressure. तो वो प्रेशर सबको फेस होता है, इवन आफ्टर मॉक इंटरव्यूज फेस होता है, बट मॉक इंटरव्यूज आपको बस प्रेशर थोड़ा मैनेज करना सिखा देंगे. सो मॉक इंटरव्यूज इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू हैव टू टेक एज मेनी मॉक इंटरव्यूज एज यू कैन. जितना बोर्ड चेयरपर्सन से आप एंगेज करेंगे जब आपका मॉक इंटरव्यू होगा, उतना आप समझेंगे कि कैसे करना है. So there are only 2 strategies to prepare for the interview: 3 papers, newspapers, plus as many mock interviews as you can. And of course, you have to build a personality at a very individual level. You can't go to, because the interview board will grill you. ले लेंगे तुम्हारी. Seriously, they will test you on bloody everything. They will test your personality in what you think about society in general. तुम कितने knowledgeable हो, सब कुछ टेस्ट कर लेंगे. And never think कि तुम उतने प्रेशर में अपनी ट्रू चीजें हाइड कर लोगे. Like for instance, like I told you, a lot of men are very patriarchal and it just comes out. It will just come out. If you're casteist, it will come out. If you discriminate on the basis of religion, it will come out. So you are going for a job which deals with the public. You have to be a person who wants to work for society. काफी लोगों का मकसद ये होता है we are going to do corruption and that's why we are joining the service. It will come out somehow. It does, because उस टाइम आप इतने प्रेशर में होते हो, ऐसे सर्कुलर बोर्ड होता है, there are so many people sitting just staring at you. You will show your true colors. You can't hide it. तो अगर कुछ भी facet of personality है, try to change it अभी से, कि you know, so that you are very true to yourself when you write your answers, when you are facing the interview board, etc. It just comes out. So it's very difficult to hide when you are facing so much pressure. Always project yourself as a very positive person. Even over there, they'll ask you very tough questions कि नहीं होता तो ये है, तुम हमें क्यों इतना रोजी पिक्चर बता रहे हो. तो फिर भी बोलो कि सर यू आर राइट, देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, बट सर आई स्टिल बिलीव दैट थिंग्स कैन बी चेंज्ड एंड थिंग्स ऑल आर ऑलरेडी चेंजिंग. जस्ट पोर्ट्रे योरसेल्फ एज वेरी पॉजिटिव. वो चाहे जितना भी ग्रिल कर दे, कुछ भी बोल दे, यू हैव टू प्रोजेक्ट. सेकेंडली, फ्रॉम माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस एंड अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स हु गेव इंटरव्यूज, they will, like I said, they will ask you about everything, including your graduation, including your optional subject. मेरे लिए ये easy हो गया था, मेरा graduation ही मेरा optional subject था. So a lot of, in my group only, like they divide you into groups on the interview day. So each board has 6 people. So we were about 6. मेरा जो group होगा उसमें 6 थे, and all of them were engineers. And they were asked questions about engineering, and they could not answer. And Alka Sarohi ma'am got very angry because I spoke to them next day when I met them during the medical test, and they told me, yaar, ma'am ne to ye bol diya, it's very disheartening, you're from BITS Pilani, you know nothing about engineering, how this is so sad and this is so bad, whatever. So please, of course it's highly, of course you can't be expected to know everything about engineering, but if you can't answer basic questions, it's really unfortunate, because of course you did 4 years of graduation in that. And I'm not only targeting engineers here, I'm targeting anybody who's done any graduation. They will ask you about your graduation. Do not take that also lightly. So when after mains you have that 4-5 months ka gap before the interview, please go through, you know, basics. You know, you're an engineer that, and उनको अजीब लगता है क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि यार ये तो इस बंदे का graduation subject है. अगर ये इस चीज से comfortable नहीं है तो फिर किससे comfortable है? Because your graduation is your expertise area. I am an expert in pol science because I am a graduate in pol science. So if you do not know your own field of expertise, then what do you know? It creates a very bad impression. So it's especially because I am not an engineer and I've never been to an engineering college, so I don't know. But a lot of my engineering friends tell me, नहीं हम पढ़ते नहीं है engineering में. So but please उस time पढ़ लेना, because question आते हैं and chairpersons get very annoyed. and बाकी भी graduation subjects, not targeting engineers per se. So that is one I'm tip giving you beforehand, because a lot of my friends scored very poorly in interview because they could not answer their engineering questions, and ma'am got very annoyed. She said this, that you're from BITS Pilani, it's very disheartening. Right. So that